If a roofing contractor isn't actually willing to entertain performing a roof repair on your home, are they really even a roofing contractor? This is something that boggles my mind. Companies that advertise, free roof inspection, take care of your leaks and stuff like that. And they kind of make it seem like you could have them out, and if you just need a repair, they'll repair the roof. And when they get there, all they really want to do is give you a sales pitch for a new roof. Oh, we found these couple of things and you need a new roof. Sometimes you need a new roof. Many times you just need a repair. So if you're going to have a company come out and inspect the roof, try to find some problems, or maybe you already have a problem, make sure that they're giving the option of a repair. Now, I say that, and of course there are times that my guys get out to a house and they climb that roof and they do their inspection, and there's no repair to be done. The roof is so shot that we can't offer an estimate for a repair. It's 50-50, honestly. If we look at our appointments that we run with customers, half of them can be repaired and half of them need to be replaced. Last year we did 1,200 projects. 400 of those were new roofs. The rest were either siding jobs, window jobs, or repair jobs. Roof repair jobs. There were 600 roof repair jobs. Our sales reps, when they get to a house, they're not in the mode of like, what can I sell? They've been trained, and it's been beaten into their heads by me and our leadership team that our mission is to service the building first. Okay, treat the building like it is your customer first. What does this building need to keep it healthy? That's what we're after first. I mean, there's a person who owns that home, and of course they're our customer, and we want them to have a great experience, and we want to treat them well and all that. But it has to start with, what is the right thing for this building? That's what's going to serve the customer the best. So if it just needs a repair, give them a repair. If it needs a roof, explain that to them. We're not there to just sell stuff people don't need. We're there to service a building, and therefore service the customer.